I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your email on the LinkedIn app is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the LinkedIn app. Launch the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, look for the gear icon or settings option, usually found in the top right corner. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 4. Select Account Preferences. Within the settings menu, find and select Account Preferences. This section allows you to manage your email and other account details. Step 5. Change email address. In the Account Preferences, look for the email section. Tap on it, then enter your new email address and save the changes. You may need to verify the new email through a confirmation link sent to that address. Remember, if you don't see the option to change your email, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy networking!